Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share 3 DIY ideas for home decor. And with these ideas I'm going to decorate a small corner in my house. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Taran, and if you like this video make sure to subscribe for more such videos. So for the first DIY we are going to make tassel wall hanging. For this you need a wool, wooden frame or scissor. You can take wooden stick instead of wooden frame. Now insert the bigger piece of wool in between this. And tie it tightly. And within few easy steps a tassel wall hanging is ready. So it is looking absolutely stunning hanging on the wall. So if you want to make something to decorate your busy corner, this one is must and easier option. And for second DIY we need 4 small size clay pots and paint the pots with light colors. So here is this peach color. Also going to paint the second one with the same color. And now I'm going to paint the rest of two with the pastel blue color. So done with painting these clay pots, and these are looking super cute. So I'm adding potting mix to these 4 planters to plant succulents. So guys, I'm going to plant the first plant. Here is this sedum. Look at this, how cute it is. So let's plant the sedum. And the second succulent is this blue chalk stick. Let me place this aside, and the next plant or succulent here is this tiger tooth aloe. Just look at this beauty. So the last plant I'm adding here is this sedum reflexum. So I just realized that with little effort and good work, these cute beautiful planters are ready to hang in just ₹15 only. So rather than buying expensive pots, you can create your own pots at home. For hanging these planters, you need jute rope. Take 2 rope strings of equal length and tie it to the planter like this. Secure it with double knot. Tie the second rope exactly opposite to the first. And cut the extra rope. And your hanging planter is ready. Similarly, tie jute rope to the other planters. For hanger, I have taken this wooden stick and onto this tie jute rope like this on both sides. Now tie the planters to this hanger and this will be ready. Next and last DIY is making plant stand out of mango crates. For this DIY, I have bought 5 mango crates of ₹20 each. So first and important step is to clean the mango crates with piece of cloth. Then using wood coating, I'm going to give this a finishing look. So this is the empty corner in my house where I decided to place this DIY plant corner. And here is the finishing look of wood crates. And now I'm just arranging the crates according to the inspired Pinterest photos. So the whole idea is from Pinterest. So we fix the whole arrangement with hot glue.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So making of this DIY plant stand out of wood crates is super easy, and you can try this for sure to make your small space interesting. So if this video is helpful for you or you learn something from this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.